Nah, dude. Parking lot, dude.
The freeway's in the parking lot.
Guy in the truck's just a fucking dude. Dude, he just fucked up your car. Look at these people, dude. No holds bargain going over the fucking curb and shit.
Video that, dude.
Dude, you're bottoming out your car, dude. You're gonna fuck your shit up. Oh my god, you hear that scraping? That's not good, bro. That is not good. Then we got a guy just walking, dude. No, dude. We're seeing some shit.
We've seen some shit we've never seen before in life, bro. Hey, talk to this guy. Wave this motherfucker over here. Hey, yo!
Dude, shut up.